In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to a PayPal business account. If you're currently using a personal PayPal account and you want access to more business-focused features, this process is pretty straightforward. A business account can give you access to tools designed for selling, invoicing, and managing payments more professionally. So, if that's what you need, let's walk through it together. Start by logging into your PayPal account. Once you're on the main account screen, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This is the settings area, and it's where you'll find account options, including the ability to change your account type. After you open settings, look for the option that says Upgrade to a business account and click it. This will begin the account upgrade process. PayPal will then show you a choice. You can either convert your existing personal account details into a business account or create a new business account using a different email address and different account details. This part is important because the option you choose depends on how you want to manage your accounts. If you want to keep everything under the same account, converting your personal account may be the simplest route. If you prefer to separate personal and business activity, creating a new business account may be a better fit. Just choose the option that works best for you and continue. Once you've made your selection, follow the setup process on screen. PayPal will guide you through the required information and confirmation steps. Take your time here and make sure everything you enter matches the correct business account information. After that, log in using the correct details for your business account. When the process is complete, PayPal will take you to your business account dashboard. You'll know the switch was successful if the interface looks different, and you can now access business tools. These may include features related to business payments, invoicing, and account management that are not available in the same way on a personal account. And that's really all there is to it. Just go to the gear icon, choose the upgrade option, decide whether to convert your current account or create a new one, complete the setup, and then sign into your business account. If you follow those steps carefully, you should be able to switch to a PayPal business account without any issues.